Hello, how are you? My name is Joan Mesa. I'm a study of systems engineering. I'm group 52. In my last vacation, I went to the Cali city with my wife and my son. Here, when we arrived in the city, my son had a medical appointment. Before going to the Cane Park, we are in the park with the dogs. Mm, mm, this is my family. She is my wife and my son and my cousin. Mm, the next day, we went to the Cane Park. We had a great time swimming and dancing. The weather in Cali changes a lot. It may be cloudy and at midday it may be sunny. But in the afternoon or evening, but it is always hot. It is hot climate. I recommended first of all prepare the trip with time, not receive anything from strangers. Load an umbrella and finally visit the zoo and the water park and the Isle of the Three Crosses. This is my infography of the vacation. Thank you very much. See you around.